Moving on, the construction of hospital roads in Uromi, Esan Northeast Local Government Area of Edo State is intensely ongoing as massive progress has been made when BTV News crew visited the site. The road construction along with the solar panel street light is among the numerous projects embarked upon by a member representing Esan Northeast and Southeast Federal Constituency, Honorable Prince Odi Okojie. Some motorists and residents who plied the road praised Honorable Okojie for his people-oriented project. BTV News Best Orator has more.
The Uromi General Hospital Road in Esan Northeast Local Government Area of Edo State will soon wear a new look owing to the construction of the road that was facilitated by the member representing Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast Federal Constituency, Honorable Prince Henry Odi Okojie. Apart from the road construction, Honorable Okojie also provided street lights to illuminate the roads at night. Speaking with BTV News, the member representing Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast Federal Constituency, Honorable Prince Henry Odi Okojie, gave a brief progress report on the construction of the road so far. He said that the contractors will resume work on the road in 2 weeks' time as they are currently standing off due to the rainy season. He also said the road is near completion as the construction work is in phases.
As we speak, the road is near completion. The contractors so far have done over 90% of the job. But unfortunately, because of the condition of the weather, they decided to take a break. I'm sure in about a week or two, they will come back to site and complete the job. It's just remaining about 10%. And I tell you, by the time we finish, the people of Urumi will enjoy that road and they will put smiles in their faces.
Some residents and motorcyclists in the area warmly commended Honorable Prince Henry Odi Okojie for coming to the people's aid in the construction of the road and in facilitating the solar street lights.
We want to thank Honorable Prince Odi Okojie for giving us a beautiful road, and secondly, you know, the road is not yet complete yet. We still pray that he should please help us to complete the road. I still remember the solar light, and you still try for the solar light.
When it is raining, no bike will come here, no vehicle is coming here. We have to trek from the market to our various houses. So we really appreciate him. We know although the road, they have not finished it, but we pray that God should give him the strength to complete the road for us. And we are still pleading that he should come and complete the street light for us. He really tried. God will continue to favor him.
Odi Okojie stand gidigba. Say this road, he must do am. God should they finish the road. God do am. No gallop again. Both bike and motor car. Now so they go dey pass fian. We know they fall inside gallop again.
No, well, it be before and I don't know the pass and they might try. They try and say they not doing, they might try. They try well. But may try, may competent. Now that won't be the problem. They might try. Street light they work and everything they work. The people did when they first did the government, where they not do anything. It never take two take for this government. They try.
El Huno Luna, Aremia, I was so my mama. Mama was some mama down. Matamos on bloody by. On a year, nine, Mubo, I cookune. Maria Votina, Madin do boy, keep my car away.
Recently, Honorable Prince Henry Odianose Okojie empowered some youth with a sum of 500,000 naira each during the flag off of the road construction.
I'll still give God, thank God to thank you, may help him. The one when we do for, may still give him more strength to do him. And may God bless him, bless his children, bless his family.
It's not easy to give people money, so I want to appreciate with what Odi Okojie done for me.
Best Orator reporting for BTV News.